The fourth statement of Tirukkolur Pen Pillai. She asked Sri Ramanuja, did I behave like Sita Devi and place everything completely in the hands of God? Did I have trust like Sita had in Rama? Did I trust completely the Vaitamanidhi Perumal? And in this statement she was referring Sita's days in Ashokavana. Ravana took away Sita from Rama and kept in Sri Lanka and in Ashokavana, and Ravana forced Sita to accept his demands, his wishes. Sita refused. Sita remained courageous by chanting Ramanama. She was feeling miserable after the separation of Rama, but remained confident that Rama would come and rescue her, and she was in deep dhyana. So the dhyana and namasmarana helped her to remain bold. And once Ravana visited her, every now and then Ravana used to visit her, and Ravana used to tell her that I would offer you my wealth, I would give you the most important position in my palace. But Sita refused everything. So once Ravana approached her, Sita just picked up a bit of grass, and placed it before Ravana. And she looked down upon Ravana and she said, I am treating you like this. I know Rama will come and rescue me. I have the capacity to destroy you, but I am waiting for Rama to come and do it and rescue me. And he will do it. I want Rama's glory to be added by doing this. You have time still to surrender to Rama. Rama will forgive you. Do it, so that you will understand me and you will hand over me to Rama. But Ravana did not listen to all that, and she said she was willing to stay in prison rather than agree to his advances. So she placed both her body and soul as belonging to Rama and keeping him in her mind always, and waited for him. This is what referred by Tirukkolur Pen Pillai. How Sita ignored Ravana, how Sita treated Ravana like a grass. She didn't give any weightage or any value to Ravana. So that was the way of ignoring him, way of not giving any value to him. So she handled this situation by having confidence in Rama. So she was saying, Tirukkolur Pen Pillai was telling Sri Ramanuja, did I do like that? Did I have confidence in Vaitamanidhi like how Sita had in Rama? If I had confidence in Vaitamanidhi Perumal, I wouldn't have left Tirukkolur. So I am dropping of rabbit. What is the use? Whether I am in agricultural field or outside. So she was telling all this to Sri Ramanuja, who was Lakshmana during the Ramavataram.